Hi everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Gradle is an open source tool for building automation Java, Groovy, and Scala development. It relies on the concepts of Ant and Maven to automate the building process. Unlike Apache Maven, which relies on XML data files for declaring project configurations, Gradle uses Groovy, a dynamic programming language that defines project configurations. First of all, log into your Linux VPS using the Bitwise SSH client. It is recommended to update the repository of Debian 11 once before using it so it can update the latest version of packages. To update, execute the following command. Gradle requires Java as the prerequisite, so to install Java we will run the following command. Once the installation is complete, and to verify the installation of Java, check the version of Java by command. You should get the following output. Here we will install the Gradle version, v7.2. If you want to download another version, you can see the versions of Gradle here official site. Install other required packages. Use the below command in the terminal to download the Gradle v7.2 package. Then, extract the package using the unzip command. Move the contents to /opt/Gradle directory. Verify the Gradle's directory. Output. We will now configure the path environment variable to include Gradle's bin directory. To do that, execute the below command. If needed, replace the Gradle's bin path with your Gradle's directory. Make the script executable with the chmod command. Load the environment variables onto your current session by running the following command. To validate the Gradle installation, use the below command. You should get the following output.